What do you mean by lower latency interaction? So the term lower latency interaction refers to the reduction in delay experience in the processing and communication of data between systems or components within a system. So latency itself is the time it takes for data to travel from its source to its destination. Lowering this latency means making the interaction faster, which is crucial in many technology applications, from web services to real-time gaming and financial trading systems. Let's try to understand first what is latency. So, to fully appreciate what lower latency interactions entails, it's important to understand a few key concepts of the latency. The first thing that I would like to talk about will be the transmission latency. This is the time it takes for a message or a packet of data to travel from a sender to the receiver. It is influenced by the physical distance between the communication endpoints and the speed of the transmission medium. Okay, like fiber optic cables or something like that, or wireless signals. Second thing we want to talk about, the propagation latency. This refers to the delay caused by the length of the physical path through which the data must travel. Essentially, it's a function of distance and the speed of light in the medium used for data transmission. Number three, processing latency. It's the time to take process data at any point in the system, including any intermediate devices like routes and switches and the endpoints themselves. For the queuing latency, this one is a delay data experiences while it is waiting to be processed or transmitted due to um, congestion or traffic in the network. Let's talk about the benefits of lower latency, what we get from that. Let me delete all that. The first thing, it will be we enhanced user experience. So in applications like online gaming, video streamings, or virtual realities, lower latency can greatly enhance user experience by providing more immediate feedback in response to user actions. Number two, we have improved efficiency. So, in systems where decisions need to be made quickly, such as automated trading platforms, lower latency can lead to more efficient decision making and can be a critical factor in the success of operations. And number three, we have increased throughput. So lower latency often allows for higher throughput, meaning more data can be processed in the same amount of time. Let's talk about how to achieve lower latency. So achieving lower latency often involves several strategies, including let's talk about including optimizing network routes. So using the most direct and least congested network paths, also upgrading hardware, so implementing faster processors, more RAM, and quicker storage devices in servers and other network devices can reduce processing delays. Also, using content delivery networks, So CDNs can reduce transmission latency by caching content in multiple geographical locations closer to end users. And number four, efficient software design. So writing software and algorithms that are efficient and that minimize processing time can also reduce latency. And lastly, we have edge computing. So placing computation and data storage closer to the location where it is needed to decrease transmission time. So, in conclusion, lower latency interactions are crucial for performance sensitive applications and can significantly affect the responsiveness and effectiveness of a system. Reducing latency involves improvements in both the technology's infrastructure and software optimizations, and it remains a central focus in the design of high performance systems in many industries. So that's it for this video, and see you in the future.